Hello everyone. Today we are going to start with some of the question based on addition and multiplication of the matrices. In last class we have discussed how to go for addition and multiplication of the matrices for different order and what are the basic condition we have to concern while attending the addition and multiplication, especially in case of multiplication. Here we are going to start with somewhat basic question for addition and multiplication, and then we will touch some more question based on that. Now first of all we are going to start with the first question of exercise 3.2. Here you just see three matrices are available here with the 2 by 2 order A, B and C. Now here three type of combinations I have written here. So one by one we will discuss here. First one, addition of a first to A and B. So it is a normal case. We discuss this one first. As your first case is to be find out sum of the matrices. If you are dealing with 3 by 3, so same manner it can be if you are dealing with a 3 by 2, but it is necessary that while you are going for the addition, matrices which are going to be added should be of the same order. Now here 2, 3, 4, 2, B is containing element as 1, 3, minus 2 and 5. As I told you previously also, the same position elements are going to be added while we are attending addition of the matrices. So the respective elements we are going to add here. 2 plus 1. Direct also you can handle the situation. It is initial. That's why we are writing everything. And 2 plus 5. Just concern the same sign whatever it is written along with the each element. Now perform addition and subtraction as per the requirement. 3, 7, 1 and 7. So this will give you the solution regarding sum of the two matrices. Next to that we just move to 3A minus C. Now here you can see two things are going to be added. One thing is this A matrix is going to be added with the scalar quantity 3. Secondly, in place of the addition we are going to discuss about the subtraction. Up to now we have not talk about any of the subtraction of the matrices. Subtraction we have to deal same as addition form. First of all, negative we have to adjust with this C matrix and then proceed same as the addition form. So just look at the second form here, in which some more change we required before adding two matrix form. So first of all, we just pick up this question as 3A minus C. Placement of the respective matrices. 3. A means 2, 3, 4, 2 minus C. C is this much. Here two things we are going to be. First of all, this 3 we are going to be multiplied with the each element of the matrix A. Secondly, this negative sign we are going to be changed with the positive sign. So this negative sign you will multiply with the each element of the matrix C. So obviously the all sign will be changed. So these two things we are going to perform here. So this will be turned as 6, 12, 9 and 6. After multiplication, each element by 3. Here you write plus sign. And this negative sign you just multiply with each element of a matrix C. So this will be 2, minus 5, minus 3 and minus 4. Now it is same as the previous one. You perform addition of the two matrices. So go for the addition in a normal case. The same method it will be implemented if you are dealing with a 3 by 3 order, 3 by 2 order, 2 by 3 order. 12 minus 5, 9 minus 3, 6 minus 4. Go for addition and subtraction as per the requirement. So this will be your 8, 7, 6 and 2. So this way you can perform subtraction also and multiply with the scalar quantity. Doesn't matter it is a fractional or a natural number. So next we are going to the third category, that is B multiply with A multiply with B. Same way it can be handled. So move to the third one. In third one, product we have to perform. Now before move for the production or multiplication of the two matrices, as I told you earlier, that first of all you check the order or the number of rows and number of column as per the required form. Now here you can see matrix B with the order 2 by 2. Matrix C is also containing the same order. For multiplication of two matrices, you have to check that number of column in first matrix should be same as number of rows of the second one. So here it is being a square one, so easily you can say that these two are met. So you can go for B cross A or B multiplication to A. Now the answer form what you will generate is a remaining combination, means this remaining 2 by 2. So the product form matrix will carry the order of 2 by 2. So this way the production or the multiplication of the two matrix with any of the order, if it is suitable for the matching of this column and row, you can proceed for. Now here it can be performed B multiplied with A. So here B is your 1 minus 2, 3, 5. It is to be multiplied with A, that is 2, 3, 4 and 2. Now we go for the multiplication. First of all, with respect to this row to this column, this pattern we have to follow. So first of all, 1 multiply with this 2. Plus is compulsory in between. 3 multiply with this 3. Here everything we are writing, you can write this product directly. Even sum also you can write after first step. Now move to the second position. Be at the first row only. Go for this second column product. So 1 multiply with 4 plus 3 multiply with 2. This row is complete. Now move to the second row. In second row again with the same manner, first of all these two elements will multiply to the respective column position. Then the second row again multiply with the second column position and this position will be fulfilled. Now first of all minus 2 multiply with this 2 plus this 5 multiply with 3 minus 2 multiply with 4, this one 5 into 2 plus is compulsory everywhere. If any of the element is carrying negative sign, so you write first as such and then further you make it change as per the product form. Now perform the product form and addition. This is 2, 9, 4, 6, minus 4, 15, minus 8 and 10. Go for addition and subtraction, which will give you the final answer form. It is 11, 10, 11 and 2. So this is a product of B to A. So this way multiplication of the matrices are to be performed. It doesn't matter you are dealing with 2 by 2 or 3 by 2. If we are dealing with the 3 by 3, one more element here and here means one more column and one more row will be introduced. Otherwise the method will remain same. Now further we discuss some of the questions which are having multiplication of the matrices with different combinations. So you will be very clear that if combinations are changed, if your matrices are not the square one, then how to handle the situation. So look at some of the different situation in which we are going to perform the multiplication. I have taken some of the question from question number 3, in which product is required for different combinations. So here we will discuss somewhat different one. Now first of all, we look at one question in which this type of combinations are available. This multiplication we require. Here we are talking about product of two matrices. Now first of all we check the basic condition, means what are the order given and is this combination is eligible for multiplication or not. If you look at this matrix, you can say its order is 3 row 1 column, means 3 by 1. If you look at this another one, you will see 1 row 3 column. What was our basic condition? That number of column of first matrix should match to number of rows to the another one. Here you can see these two are same, so we can proceed for a product form. So and the answer form will be developed as a remaining combination, that is 3 and 3. So what the product form we are going to generate, it will carry the order 3 by 3, means 3 row and 3 column. So let's proceed about the product form. Now first of all, as per our normal rule, first element will multiply with this first, means obviously you will write here these two. Nothing else is available. Then move for first element, multiply with the second column first element, that is 3. First into 4. This way you will proceed. So nothing is available. So as such, you will have only one combination. Now next to move to the second row. 2 into 2, 4. 2 into 3, 6. 2 into 4, 8. Move to the third row. 3 into 2, 6. 3 into 3, 9. 3 into 4, 12. So this way we are going to generate matrix with order 3 by 3. So this way you can check whether the generated matrix is in the proper form or not, or what the method you have implemented is correct one or not. It play a main role while we are going to be multiplying more than two matrices same time and proceed for a required solution. So at that time be very careful while you are not having a square matrix or a symmetric form of the matrices. In order to the same, we are having one more example, or it is a question from question number 3, one of the part. This is the question. This is 2, 3, minus 1. Second column 1, 2, 1. This is your 1, 0, 1, minus 1, 2, 1. Again your basic method for product, it will remain same. You will go for checking first whether it is available with a proper form or not. First of all you go for order. Order of this first one is a 3 row 2 column. This one is a 2 row 3 column. These are called rows. This vertical are called columns. Don't be confused. Now here you can see these two means number of column match to number of rows. So we can go for multiplication of given matrix combination. What the combination we are going to generate as a product form, it will carry the order of 3 by 3. So this is a reference, you can say, we are having to write the answer form. Now proceed for the multiplication. 3 multiplied by 2 means 2. Here second column is present, so one more combination we are having as additive form. 1 into minus 1 means minus 1. Move to the second position. Second column is present. 2 into 0, 0. 1 into 2, 2. Move to the third position. 2 into 1, 2, 1 into 1, 1. Now next, move to the second row, first column. This way always you will move. 3 into 1, 3, 2 into minus 1, minus 2, 3 into 0, 0, 2 into 4, 2, 4, 3 into 1, 3, 2 into 1, 2. Move to the last row, minus 1, 1, minus 1, minus 1, minus 1, again minus 1, minus 1, 0, 0, plus 2, last column, minus 1, 1, minus 1, this is your plus 1. Now go for addition and subtraction, whatever the sign we are getting. So finally we will have 2 minus 1, this is 2, 2 plus 1, 3, 3 minus 2, this is 4, 5, minus 1, this is 2, 0. Now further, make the final answer form. This is 1, 1, minus 2, 2, 4, 2, 3, 5, 0. So you can see what the product form of given matrix form we are having. It is carrying order of 3 by 3. So you can check what the requirement is and what you have got. It should be same or not. If there is some problem in the order, please check out your product form. Maybe that in writing some problem you have created. So be very careful while writing product form. In addition, there is no any issue. Direct you have to add the respective or correspondence elements, so no problem may be raised there. Now one more example we are having regarding the product form. So almost all type of combinations we discussed. So any type of further combination you can proceed at your own level. One more combination we discussed. So almost all type of combination will be included here. Now the next is from the same question I pick up all three category. That is 3 minus 1, minus 1, 0, 3 and 2. Next is 2, 1, 3, minus 3, 0, 1. Now move to the basic checking. 2 rows with 3 columns, so order is 2 by 3. 3 rows with 2 columns, order is 3 by 2. These two are made, so product is possible. Now proceed about the product form, and answer form obviously you will have with order of 2 by 2. Now proceed for the product form. 3 into 2, minus 1, 3 into 3. Another element, this row you will multiply to the second column. 3 to minus 3 plus minus 1 to 0 plus this 3 to 1. Move to the second row. Same manner, first you take the first column multiplication, then move to the second column. So minus 1 multiply with this 2, 0 into 1 plus this 2 into 3, minus 1 into minus 3, 0 to 0, 2 to 1. So go for the solution. This is 6 minus 1 plus 9. It is minus 9, 0, 3, minus 2, 0, 6, plus 3, 0, 2. Go for addition and subtraction. This will give you 14 minus 6 plus 4 and 5. You can see this is carrying order 2 by 2. So this way different type of combination you can handle for product form. Now one example are right in which if order is not going to be met, so how the multiplication will not be performed. So only example we are writing here in which product is not possible. Suppose we are having combination as this one. This is. Here you can see order of the first matrices is 3 cross 1. 3 rows, 1 column. In second matrix, you are having the order of 2 by 3. 2 rows, 3 column. Here you see number of column is not same as number of rows. So in this case, the product will not be possible to conduct. So that's why it is necessary to check first whether the basic condition is going to fulfill here or not. Now move to the next type of question in which unknown matrices are to be find it out.